Archer said the end. Oh, not you? Oh, fair enough.
Here's Jack Pearson leading it off against Michael Tichy.
I'm leaving you if you don't say yes. And she was like,
Here's the pitch. Strike three looking.
By the way, people
Good start for Tichy. 101.
Yeah. He was like, we're just in the fear going. But yes.
Strike three. Swinging sinker gets him. 2 away.
Specific, inning.
I would never do that to someone. Watch this game. I choke.
Ew.
It's because you guys can't score a run off this
okay,
guy.
I don't mind.
Strike three.
That hit?
Yep.
Bro, all right, hold on. Can we just for like?
I don't know what year that's. Okay.
It's like off the plate.
He's blaming his strikeout on that. Swings it 2 pitches way out and takes a strike. Here's Ben Blyer. No way.
Oh my lord.
Hit to right center field. That'll drop for a base hit. Leadoff single for Blyer. He's watching second.
Crack. 4, 3.
Alright, 3, not sure. Popped in the air. Ian. Why? I don't even know what that was. 4-1. Or 4-2, excuse me, full count. Inside, that's a ball. 4-0. 5-pitch roll. Hit on the ground. Fisher misses it. And Blyer going to second. And that's, I guess, a double. Hit in the air. Fisher late makes the catch. Nice. He made the catch. 3-0. On the ground. Pearson.
No, he him.
He didn't hit here. And strike three, swinging. That ends the inning. We go to the second inning.
Or donuts.
What's up? Oh! Hit to left. Base hit. No hitter for Michael Tichy. And Steinberg with a base hit.
It's the second inning.
So if there's donuts. Just 2 or 3.
Hit to left. Liar gets it in, running. The throw.
Oh.
Safe.
Oh my god.
No.
And Blyer's out. No! I don't have to be. Grounded.
What the hell is this game?
That's a base hit. First and second, 1 out.
How many donuts
Five
are you?
donuts.
Oh, damn.
Grounded.
What the fuck is going on?
Blyer.
Get his ass out.
Gets to third before Steinberg can steal the base. It's like 200.
Is this because you don't like donuts or something?
I love donuts.
What the hell is
Grounded.
going on?
Steinberg. It's past Aaron.
He's going home. What the fuck is going on?
And they score a run. It is 3-1 Lawnmowers. RBI single from Steinberg.
Max just decided to step right over it.
I like the strategy from Aaron. Just kidding.
Mage lost like
350.
30 pounds.
Down to 350.
That's 3 donuts, bro.
Strike three looking. Ian Steinberg had an inning. Pearson did not. We go to the bottom of the second.
He doesn't know how to add. I hope you're not.
No, because it's like 2. Like
Literally anything.
yeah, probably.
Well, Max said he wouldn't fuck a dude for a billion. Which I think is just his homophobia coming out. You wouldn't try. Crush that. Oh, fuck.
Damn it.
No. It's, in real football, that's a solid hit. Dude, I just cut my dick off so quick.
Oh, is it too small?
Run it out!
It's a runner, bro.
Thank you. Henry gets the tag at Max for 2 outs.
Or live like your full life the next 70 years.
I would live.
And
I would live.
like just like,
In.
okay.
Ben takes third, almost gets out. I would live.
That's good.
Frisbee golf. I own frisbee golf.
Me
Frisbee
too.
discs.
I think you mean you own golf frisbees. Michael, why'd you slow down? Ow!
Shut up.
Last out was. Oh wait, I already told you I'd beat you up.
I'm so scared.
I thought he was doing well.
He did well in those first 4 games. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Where they all
Looking
did
at the
good.
cutter.
That was
Check
a
your
Oh yeah, you did
out.
great. Oh, you gotta go.
It's got history paper.
Got a history paper.
4 or 5. Is that 5? That's a. Is that a walk? That's a walk.
this trap ass monkey?
Base on balls. Tipped into the zone. Strike 3. 3 and 2.
Oh,
Got him looking for the K. Lawnmowers hold on for the victory. 5-1. We go to game 2. Yeah, that's more acceptable. Good start. Richfield is.
He'd be a party line, fan.
And that's a ball. Hit on the ground. Pearson.
Yeah.
Throw, no throw. That's first and second, nobody out. I drink your milkshake. It was a walk.
Damn it!
That was a walk. Full count on Blyer. One, two. Hit on the ground. Oh my god. Off Pearson's foot. That's an E, whatever he is. That's terrible. He was just talking about how his defense has improved.
Why did I think that was gonna?
That's a walk. It's a 3 and 2. Swing and a miss. Strike 3. Got him. 1 away. That's 1 out. The king of dumbass celebrations, Jack Pearson, has no right to say anything to Steinberg there. Pitch. And that's ball 5. It's Ian struggling. All right, he needs this. Yep. 1 and 2. Bobs again. So that's a strikeout. It's okay. It's fine. 2 outs. He's not throwing a pitch. Here it is. That's. Why not take the run, Michael? All right, that's 3 outs. Why not take the run? We go to the bottom of the first. Here's Pearson leading it off against Churches. Ball.
I have so much cash, just let me pay you cash tomorrow.
Hit on the ground. Blyer charges. Throws to first.
Oh,
He's safe. What was that? Here it comes. Swing and a miss.
I tipped it.
No, you didn't.
I promise you I tipped that.
1 away. Here's Pearson. Hit on the ground. Terrible hit, but it will be a hit. First and second. 1 out. Hit on the ground. Should be a hit. Ooh, just misses him. 4-1. Bro. No way you're taking that. No way you're taking that. No, that's a walk. Hit up the middle. There's a base hit.
Now it's like.
So 5-2 Lawnmowers. Here comes Pearson yet again. You're not. Down the line. Blyer gets an out. 2 away. Hit in the air. Oh! Got him.
Kidding me!
That's an out. Wow. Awesome play, Michael. We go to the second inning.
Ow! Don't ever slap my ass!
I hope you are watching.
Yeah.
Oh, that's you.
Swings that little blooper down the third base line. The pitch, throw. It's been a long day, folks. Lobs it, and Ben hits that right to Henry, gets it to Jack, and Ruby is out at second. Fielder's choice for Ben Blyer. Pitch, and it's a walk. And down the third base line from Churches Jack fumbles it, and Ben will be safe at third. Throws it to Tichy. Block by Dunn. Maybe strikeout Ben Blyer here. Lobs it. And Ben Blyer strikes out. Oh, he tipped it?
No way. I did.
Tipped it. Ben Blyer is an honest man, and I believe that. Puts a little ball in play. Hopefully, where is he throwing it? And then lobs it. And he crushes it. Stays in the park. Ruby comes around third. Running in. Home. And everyone is safe. A nice little stand-up double from Michael Tichy. Oh! Let me know your butt. Ruby hits it. Fuck, that's in the video now. And I wasn't paying attention. Sure, we'll say he's out.
Did he tag you? It wasn't a force out. Oh, okay.
And Michael gets out.
I hate you.
Lobs it. Ben crushes it up the line. Henry gets the out at second for the second out.
Oh, wait.
Pitch from Ian. Hit right to Jack. Through his legs. And everyone will be safe. Ian crashing out at the pitcher's mound. Earlier today, Jack said he doesn't really make that many errors. This inning, he's made 2. Hits it. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
They're all terrible. Oh, yeah.
Well, he made it for the. Did he catch it?
I don't know. Did he catch it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now I'm here.
My day's been, I woke up, jerked off.
Did you actually?
Thank you for including that.
What out? That's in the video. That should be slightly better.
Oh shit, I hope Miss Lambert doesn't fucking
Strike
watch
3. If Miss Lambert watches this DCW video, then it's in trouble.
saying I woke up and good. And then I cheated on her homework.
Get out!
It's fucking popped up.
Oh, Ben.
You
Oh!
did that. That's
Made
an
the
out.
catch. Quick inning.
Let's see
those
the
kids
fucking
over there,
bat
I'd yell
flip
slur.
again. Replay that shit. Show how sad Jack is.
There will be a replay in there. Sub 2 minute inning. Good job, guys.
Bless, guys. Crush that, please. God, this team fucking sucks. The Iowa writing program is really good.
Just talk to Cooper.
Yeah.
No, I will not be.
But talk to Jack then, because that's where he's going. Popped up. This should be a catch from Jack. He did it. He made the play. Honestly, viewers, I'm as shocked as you are. What? Are you fucking kidding me, Ian? Yo, put me in, coach.
Yeah.
And he throws it. Oh, and Henry just bounces off of him. Ben rounding. He'll stay at third.
Come on.
Make a play.
Hey, nice try, man. Hits it right at the middle, past Jack. Oh, that would have been awesome. And Michael comes home. Crushed. Caught by Dunn. Dunn makes 2 of the 3 plays for their outs this inning. And we're back.
And we're back.
And we're back. Pitch from Ruby.
Get up, man.
Popped up. Caught by Ben Blyer for an 8-second out.
Oh, yeah, wow. Don't laugh at that. They were
Poor.
both fired. That's really good. 58. Hit
Swing.
to center.
Oh, he
He's-
should have dove for that. That would have been awesome.
That's no. Get
Oh
him.
my God.
Throw to first.
Oh,
Safe.
that would have been an insane double play. Ben
Ian's
with a
at
heads
first.
up.
He's bat flip. Let's replay
I don't
that
remember where I
bat
parked
flip.
that. Swing.
Love that.
Thank you.
Hey, this is how it's done, by the way.
Aura. I hope that was in frame.
It wasn't.
I can't tell if it might have been. I think part of it was.
You see the bat over here?
Yes.
Is that the game?
That's the game.
Oh, thank God. Thank Jesus. Lord, have mercy on my
And
soul.
the Space Pandas are now 0-12 on the season. No, yeah, they're 0-12. That's not good. See you all tomorrow night.